Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Samir Javed and today we'll be learning how to split our content into columns on a single page. So we have our standard document with us. So let's say I want to display this text or this content on a single page in a column format. This format is usually used for creating brochures or white papers. So let's go on to the layout tab, select columns. You can select them from here as well. These are predefined. One column is basically the standard format. You can split them into 2, 3, left or right based on your need. I'm just going to show you how more details there are. Let's select more columns. Here you have the same number of information that you presets that you can see over there. Let's say I want to split it into 2, so it displays number of columns. If I want to show a line between these columns, I can select it over here. Since my column width is set to equal, so it will be 3 inches wide for any number of columns that I set in, and spacing between the columns is variable. I can adjust it as per my need. We will take it back to 0.5, and there's an option over here that tells us if this change will be applicable to the whole document or should it be applied only this point forward. So let us select this one. This means that my title page will remain unaffected. If I don't select this, my title page will also be split into 2 columns. I say OK, and here we are. Our page has been split into 2 columns over here, and we can see that there's a line in between which I selected over there. So this will be all for today's session. Until next time, take care and Allah Hafiz.